What's up, everybody? It's Justin. I'm just chilling here with Adrian. We're eating these wellness balls. And guys, we just got out of the gym. We've been killing the gym. Me and Adrian hit the gym every single day here in Hollywood. It's been fucking sick as fuck. I'm gonna hit up running in Canyon soon with my buddy Lewis. We've been dominating the gym, man. It's been insane. So every morning we have some of this shit. It's called like Welltopia. It's so good, so tasty. And it's just really good shit, healthy for you, man. So guys, today we're going to talk about a concept called looks maxing, okay? What is looks maxing? Adrian, do you know what looks maxing is?
Looks maxing?
Do you know what that is?
Not in your terminology.
Essentially what it is maximizing your fashion, your grooming, your looks. So we're in a place called Floyd's here in Hollywood. We're going to get a haircut. And what we want to do is we want to, constantly audit our fashion, our grooming, our health, our fitness, so you can optimize the way you look in general, so that way, when you do walk up to beautiful women, when you are meeting girls, you look good, you feel good, you smell good, your grooming's on point, your beard, your hair, your fashion, and then obviously, your game, your vibe is way more important. That's what I truly believe. Your game and your vibe and your personality is so much more important, but it doesn't hurt to look better, dress better, feel better, because you're managing your grooming, your fashion, and your health, okay? And that includes your fitness as well. And so you can get haircuts, and I'll see you guys soon. Guys, what's going on? Me and Adrian just out here. We got some haircuts. What do you guys think? What do you think of my new haircut? What do you think of my hair? Tell me what's going on. I just got a haircut. Adrian's out here getting a haircut. And what do you guys think? What do you guys think? So fashion, grooming, so key, so essential when it comes to actually meeting women. And then when you dress well, you dress, exceptionally gentlemanly, or whatever style works for you. It might be like high-end streetwear, it might be designer brands, or it might just be something more casual. It just works, and it helps you create an identity and attract certain types of women.
Fresh as fuck,
Looking good, mate!
Looking beautiful, mate!
So then looks maxing, this concept of, your grooming, little even things like earrings and what? I kind of always associated optimizing your fashion, your grooming, your looks with learning game, because, why fight an uphill battle? You could be some fat, overweight guy, you could be scrawny as fuck, right? But as long as you're working towards the goal of, getting fit in the gym, right? Or, you could dress poorly, but work towards increasing your fashion, your grooming, your style, your hygiene, right? And then when you go out and talk to girls, you're just feeling so much better. You're feeling more on purpose. You're feeling more of a man because you are taking that right action. You are trying to level up, and you're trying to, meet women from a place where you just feel good about yourself. You're not doing it for the girls. You're doing it for you, man. You're doing it because you want to look better for yourself, right? But the cool thing is you'll feel more confident, and then you will go take action to meet those women. So now, comb my hair. Looks fucking good. I've put some conditioner in it to groom it and style it, combed it, brushed my teeth, flossed as well, and I've trimmed my beard. I hope this makes sense, guys, and if you can do this routine, let's say once, cut your hair once every 2 to 3 months, and trim your beard. Depends how fast yours grows. Mine doesn't grow too fast. I do it maybe once every 2 to 3 weeks, and if you can stay on purpose with this, keep on it. We're fitted clothing. I know my shirt's wrinkly as fuck, but it is fitted. If I had an iron, I would iron it. My ex-girlfriend used to iron my clothing. Just smell good, look good, feel good, and then walk up to girls really confident. Entire thing's gonna change. Everything's gonna change. So this is a good understanding of looks maxing. You want to optimize your fashion, your grooming, your hygiene, your style, even getting things like earrings and nose piercing, right? Maybe even get your eyebrows done. People take it as far as getting a nose job, a chin adjustment, like a rhinoplasty kind of thing. You can do that as well. You don't have to, it's not necessary, but you can do that if you choose to. And by improving your looks, your aesthetics, what happens is your pool of what we call yes girls increases. So understand this, as a man, you're gonna have girls who are just naturally attracted to you based on your looks. And when you learn game, when you learn these social skills, you learn how to close these girls, pull them home, make them your girlfriend, make them a friends with benefits or whatever, and keep them around, right? You get to pursue something with these yes girls. By increasing your fashion, your grooming, your aesthetics, looks maxing, right? By looks maxing, what will happen is you will actually increase that pool of yes girls, so there's more and more and more and more yes girls. And then by increasing your game, you can close these yes girls. I hope that makes sense. So stay on your purpose, stay on your shit, guys. And I'm gonna end this video there. I hope you go out, make yourself look as good as possible, and work on your fucking social skills as well. And I'll see you guys out there in the clubs, pimping it. I'll talk to you later, bro. Make sure to like and subscribe this video. Subscribe, turn the notification on, that little bell notification, and leave a comment below. Tell me what you guys think is the most important aesthetic that you should work on personally. Okay, guys, talk to you soon.